Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning.
Could you be sure to send me the report on our event last week by 9:30 today? I need it for the meeting. You can just email it to me.
Yeah, sure.
Do you think you can finish it?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks. Hi, Mohammed, how are you?
Hi, I'm good.
Can you finish the agenda before the meeting this morning?
For sure. What would you like me to do?
Could you type it up from the notes in the shared drive, add a date and title, and print 5 copies?
Type the notes into an agenda, add a date and a title, and make 5 copies for the meeting?
And can you please bring the copies to the meeting and make sure that everyone gets one?
Definitely. I'll make sure I'm there early to give everyone a copy.
Thank you. That'd be very helpful.
Thank you.
Okay, well, let's start the meeting. Hi, everyone. Mohammed has handed out an agenda for this meeting. Has anyone seen Sarah? Chelsea, can you go and get her, please? Hi, Sarah.
Hi.
I didn't receive your report. Did you send it to me?
No, I started it, but I had some problems with my computer.
Well, why didn't you ask for help? I'm certain that someone else could have helped you, or you could have called me. Okay, well, maybe you could share with us how the event went.
Well, the event went well. There were some problems, but it went well, I think.
And
Yes, as Sarah said, we had some problems, such as we ran out of food. But it was okay because we just quickly ran to the grocery store and got more. And everyone enjoyed the event.
thank you, Mohammed. And how do you think we could do better for the next event?
I think we should get participants to register. For this event, we didn't make people register, so we didn't know how many would come.
I think that's a great idea. Okay, well, let's move on to the next item on the agenda. Well, thank you, everyone. Just a reminder that today is employee evaluation, so please come to my office at your appointment time. Okay, Mohammed, let's get started. Did you bring your copy?
Yes, I filled in my section with what I think I did well and what I think I need to improve.
Great. Tell me what you think you did well.
I think I work well with my team. They often come to me to discuss problems, and I help find creative solutions.
I agree. I wrote that you work well independently as well as on a team. You're quick to come up with solutions to problems, and you're always punctual. Actually, you're usually the first one at meetings.
Yes, I hate to be late.
That's good. So what did you write that you could improve on?
I need to improve my communication skills. Sometimes I don't tell anyone I'm struggling. I want to communicate better with how I'm doing on projects.
I think that's a good goal. I look forward to hearing how you improve in our next feedback meeting. And let me know if there's anything I can do to help you. And I'll send you a feedback survey on this evaluation.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sarah, it's your turn. Good luck.
Hi, Sarah. Please take a seat. I know that you're new here, but we always do performance evaluations around this time. We won't do a full evaluation, but I think it's a good chance to sit down and talk. Let's start with your attendance.
I think my attendance has been good. I am never late to the office.
You do come to the office on time, but you're often late to arrive at meetings, which makes us start late.
I'm sorry, I don't know when the meetings are.
They're sent to your email.
I locked myself out of my email.
Well, why didn't you say anything?
I was embarrassed. I'm not good at using computers.
Okay, well, after this meeting, I'll get someone to reset your email. but you really should ask if you're having trouble.
Okay.
Something you have done well is coming up with creative solutions to problems in a few of our meetings. I'd like to see you do that more often.
I sometimes have trouble understanding in the meetings, but I'll try to ask more if I don't understand.
Okay. I think that's enough for today. I'll send you the main points. You have a lot of things to focus on, Sarah. I may need to let you go if you don't improve.
Okay. Thank you. I'll work hard.
Thank you.
There are many skills needed to work successfully in Alberta. Some of the most important transferable skills are effective communication. Be open, honest, and confident, but you must also be polite and professional. Tell your coworkers or your supervisor if you are struggling or have questions. Repeat back instructions to make sure you understand. This will eliminate miscommunication and mistakes later. Critical thinking and problem solving. If you are given a task, you are responsible to take initiative and figure out how to complete it. That may mean coming up with new ways to do things. Employers want employees that can adapt and that are always learning and growing. Self-improvement is very important. Work ethic and time management. Employers want you to finish assignments on time and manage your time wisely. Teamwork and collaboration. It is important to work well individually as well as on a team. This means being able to compromise and take responsibility for your tasks. It helps to get to know your coworkers personally and be approachable. You must treat all your coworkers equally. Learning these important skills will help you to be successful at finding and keeping a job in Alberta.